Oh, sorry, didn't see you there. I was too busy looking at majesticness and beauty in its purest form. Anyway, so today we're going to be talking about a magnificent piece of artwork we like to call the, what is it even called? Today we're going to be talking about something magnificently beautiful that my friend is now forcing me at gunpoint to make. The G700 keyboard. It's written in Ching Chong letters, and the problem is with this keyboard, it's a piece of crap. Straight off, this keyboard does have a lot of false advertising. For instance, it mentions that it has a mechanical keyboard, or that it is a mechanical keyboard. That is just a straight up lie. Listen to this. I got my microphone set up right here. That is not mechanical. That does not sound mechanical to me. So obviously, yeah, it's false advertising. And another thing, it's extremely dangerous. Like, very bad, no good. Extremely no good, I wouldn't let my children anywhere near this place. It's got very sharp edges on the keyboard, if you want to zoom in, cameraman. Yeah, look at that. I could use it as a sword.
You underestimate my power.
You gotta censor his nipples.
Another thing about this thing that I thought was pretty funny, RGB. The RGB only turns on if you press the scroll lock key right here. The scroll lock key has a little symbol on it that is like this weird little sunshine symbol. It only turns on once you press it, and it's static, just pure static. The RGB doesn't change at all. It's not a single color. It's just. Also, apparently, it says here that this little. You see this little gap right here? You might be thinking, oh, that's to carry it. No, that's for a phone. Yeah, I would like to decapitate my phone in half when I'm playing Minecraft. At 30 FPS, yeah, obviously. I don't know what I'm doing. There was one good benefit to this keyboard that I can actually see pretty well. It is lightweight. For the most part, it's not too heavy. I've had heavier keyboards than this. But the problem is that it's mainly due to the fact that it's cheap, and it's very easy to make things lightweight if things are cheap. I mean, there's one really cool benefit. There's got a picture of a Jaguar on there. That's pretty cool. I mean, that was pretty neat. But the box didn't come with a manual at all, so there's one problem. So you don't know all the settings it could possibly have that they implanted into there, or possible solutions if your keyboard's having problems. It's not in there. It does have a $13 price tag, which is pretty nice, but unfortunately, my friend has a keyboard that was $15, and it came with a mouse, and it is much better than this piece of crap Ching Chong keyboard. How do you even explain this?
It looks like a vacuum cord.
It looks like a vacuum cord. So, moral of the story, don't go on AliExpress.
Like and subscribe and point to the code.
Oh yeah, I'm a bit buzzed. Check out our channel. Here are some more videos right here. I like this one specifically.